Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the case study on consumer electronics because in most of the homes, most of they are having more number of electronic components. So we are we are going to discuss this topic as a case study. In this case study, we are connecting with LG industry because most of the home appliances in our home we are using LG products. So what are all the problems they are facing, that is to satisfy the customer demand, we are going to discuss all this in our case study. And also we are incorporating our design thinking concept, that is what is our empathy part and what is our define and how to find a problem statement, and how to find a solution for that problem statement. And finally we have designed our prototype, that is our topic. So this slide shows what are all the consumer electronic devices in our home, that is laptop, printer, washing machine, fridge, robots, mobile phones, camera, printer system, telephone unit, everything, bill systems, everything comes under consumer electronic devices. So we will discuss one by one. So what is consumer electronic devices, why we need, and we will discuss. So what is considered a consumer electronic include devices used for entertainment, that is flat screen TVs, DVD players, video games, remote control cars, communications, that is telephone, cell phone, email, cables, laptops, etc., and home office actives, that is desktop computers, printers, and paper spreaders, etc. These are all the consumer electronic devices we are using in our home. Then what are some examples of electronic devices includes television, DVD player, laptop, desktop, computers, mobile phone, iPads, cameras, fans, ovens, then washing machines, game console, printer, radios. And electronic devices is a device that accomplishes its purpose electronically. Then what are electronics used for? Electronics is widely used in information processing, telecommunication, signal processing. The ability of electronic devices to act as switches makes digital information processing possible. Next question is mobile phone cases as an electrical system, and an electrical appliances usually refer to electrical home appliances, which are electrical devices used in the home to accomplish some household task. That is electric appliances sometimes encompass portable electronic devices. So the smartphones might get included. Next our question is TV is electronic? No, TV is it is an appliance. As we have seen, television sets are categorized as electronic. Of course, this makes sense. TV have more in common with other electronic like computers. So what is the difference between electrical and electronic? That is, electrical means the energy converted from one form to another form, that is like light, heat, sound, etc., whereas electronic devices controls the flow of electrons to perform a particular task. Next question is the consumer electronics shows open to public? No, based on the customer demand, they will submit the affiliation, then only the consumer technology industry will provide the they have to submit the evidence, then only they will give the approval, then only they can manufacture the home appliances based on the customer demand. So we are using n number of electronic components that is in our home. So next we move on to our empathy part. In our empathy part, that is n number of devices we are using already. So we will discuss one by one. That is, consumer electronics or home electronics or electronic equipment intended for everyday use, typically in private homes. Consumer electronics include devices used for entertainment, communication, and home office activities. Radio broadcasting in the early 20th century brought first major consumer product to broadcast receiver. Later products include telephone, television, calculator, then audio, video recorders, players, game console, personal computers, and MP3 players. In 2010, consumer electronics stores often sell GPS. They have implemented GPS, automotive electronics in car unit, that is video games console and electronic music instruments, digital camera, video player. Stores also new products sold in virtual reality, head mounted display, smart home devices and connected. In 2010, most of the consumer electronics have become based in digital technologies and have layered merged with the computer industry, in which increasing referred to as consumerization of information technology. So the consumer electronics stores have also face a big challenge. So it is keep on increasing based on the user requirement. So based on the user demand, to bring the smartness in everything, we can't consider all the unit in our we have discussed all the unit in our empathy part. So we have defined our problem statement with the help of our smart home, that is our defined status. We have to find a solution to bring our home into smart home. That is our idea, that is our defined part. So home automation, to build automation or to bring automation for our home, called a smart home or smart house. A home automation system will control lighting, climate, entertainment systems and appliances. It may include home security such as access control and alarm control. How does smart home automation works? Home automation is a network of hardware, communication and electronic interfaces that work to integrate everyday devices with one another via the internet. Each device has sensors and is connected through Wi-Fi, so you can manage them from your smartphones or tablets from your home itself, or if you are in office or anywhere, you can control the home with the help of your mobile phones. So that is the main advantage. So if you are in office, means we can control the devices through wireless communication. So what is wireless home automation? A home automation is the process of controlling home appliances automatically using various control system techniques. The electrical and electronic appliances in the home, such as fan light, outdoor light, fire alarms, kitchen timers, etc., can be controlled using various techniques. So what does smart home? A smart home allows homeowners to control appliances, light and other devices remotely using smartphones, smartphone tablets through an internet connection. Smart homes can help through wireless or hardwired systems. Smartphone technology provides homeowners with convenience and cost saving. Why home automation is needed? This is the big question that comes under everyone's mind. That is control of heating and cooling and control 48% of energy spending. Home automation technologies such as smart thermostat, smart lighting and smart appliances connect to centralized control that can act at own or be programmed to control energy consumption and increase our savings. There is no secondary thought in it. So what are all the disadvantages? Cost and the dependency of internet is a big disadvantage. But if we are bring smartness in our home, means we can save many things. So we will discuss one by one. As a smart home worth it? This question comes under everyone's mind. That is, in many cases, the cost device and its installation can be a big challenge. So the convenience and safety that automated system can provide make them well worth an initial investment. Why smart home is needed? Smart home is ensure that you have electrically that is, you have electrically reduced the power and water bills. Often it is observed that light remains due to laziness of standing up and turning off them. It is happen in it will happen in everyone home. So a smart home will allow you to turn off light or fan and other electrical items. It can automatically manage. So it is very much useful in our home. Which smart home system is best means initial days DICE smart home is used. Nowadays we are using second generation hub method. Our smart homes are the future. According to the statistics, in 2020 there will be 75.4 billion internet usage level will be increased based on the smart home appliances. So what are all the advantages means managing all our devices from one place, flexibility for new devices and appliances, maximizing home security, remote control of home functions, increased energy efficiency, improved appliances functionality, home management insight. Then what do you need for the home automation? Smart lighting, smart thermostat, then smart doorbells, smart outlets, and smart locks. Here the main thing is smart locks. Then only we prevent our home from thieves. Nowadays we are using Alexa and Google. That is, we know what is Alexa and what is Google. One big question is, yes, Alexa is better than Google. Google Assistant is much better and at handling free-form web-based queries than Alexa. Alexa tends to be a stickler for wording and for particular sequences of word. Alexa also learns heavily on Wikipedia for general knowledge queries, while Google search more comprehensive. Does a smart home increases home value? In fact, house value can be increases by up to 5% with home automation. This would increase our home rate. The growing demand of smart home among home buyers and industry growth could make home automation worthwhile investment for the future. Home is a good idea. Home automation, yes, it is a good idea because most of the people like home automation. They bring smartness in our home. They helpful in many aspects. So most of the people like this one. How will smart home changed our lives? Things about all the project homeowners is every day and bring their home take away getting important work and completed. Home responsibilities are alleviated by technology by allowing remote access. Smart home can saving an estimated 20% on home heating cooling cost. So we are using smart home as our defined part, that is to bring out the solution for smart homes. That is our second part. And so far we have discussed what is our empathy and defined statement, and next one is our ideation part, that is how we are finding solution for smart homes. That is our ideation part. That is the IoT based home automation consists of several smart devices for different applications, lighting, security, home electronics, etc. All these devices are integrated over a common network established by gateway and connected in a mesh network. What is IoT in home automation? IoT or Internet of Things, upcoming technology that allows us to control hardware devices through internet. So we propose to use IoT in order to control home appliances, thus automating modern home through the internet. So it is mainly used. So our smart home appliances, to find a solution with IoT, that is our ideation part. That is how IoT can be used for home automation. The IoT based home automation will enable will enable the user to use home automation system based on Internet of Things. The modern homes are automated through internet, and the home appliances are controlled. The system status is displayed through the LCD display along with the system data. Then what is smart home and IoT? The smart home is residence that uses interconnected devices to enable the remote monitoring and management appliances and systems such as light, fan, etc. How do I make my IoT home smart? That is, IoT smart home devices of new generation use their sensors to automatically adjust their routines. They monitor your location in real time and turn the heating on or off accordingly. What are the examples of IoT devices? The examples of IoT devices means consumer connected devices include smart TV, smart speakers, toys, wearables, and smart appliances, smart material meters, commercially secured system, and smart city technologies such as those used to monitor traffic, weather conditions, or the examples of industrial and enterprises IoT devices. So what are all the benefits of IoT? So first benefit is communication. That is, IoT encourage the communication between devices, also famously known as M2M communication. That is, comes under robotics concept. Already we have discussed in our first slide. That is, machine to machine communication is called as M2M. Then automation and control, information, monitor, time, money control, automation of delay task lead to better monitoring of devices, efficient and save time. So these are all the advantages of IoT. So what is IoT applications? IoT is essentially a platform where embedded devices are connected to the internet, so they can collect and exchange data with each other. It enables the device to interact, collaborate, and learn from each other experience, just like what we do. Then everybody have a question, which IoT platform is best, means that is most popular IoT platform in 2020 is a Google Cloud platform, then Oracle IoT, Microsoft, IBM. These are all the best IoT platforms. So is IoT have the future? IoT